Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're checking out the Corsair iQ AF140, one of the best 140mm RGB case fans out there. If you want great cooling, vibrant RGB lighting, and quiet performance for your PC build, this review is for you. Let's get started. Product features. Cooling performance. First off, let's talk about cooling. The AF140 uses pulse width modulation control, allowing the fan speed to adjust dynamically based on your system's temperature. It can spin anywhere from a whisper-quiet 500 RPM up to 1700 RPM when your PC needs maximum airflow. At peak speed, it pushes a strong airflow of 89.0 CFM with a static pressure of 2.0 mm H2O. What does that mean for you? Whether you're using this fan as an intake to pull fresh air into your case, as an exhaust to blow hot air out, or mounted on a liquid cooling radiator or CPU heatsink, it will keep your components cool even under heavy load, perfect for gaming, streaming, or heavy multitasking. RGB lighting. Now let's talk about the eye candy, the Corsair iQ AF140's customizable RGB lighting. It comes with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs that deliver a wide range of stunning colors and effects. Thanks to the included iQ Lighting Node Core controller, you can sync up to 6 fans and create lighting patterns that perfectly match your setup or mood. Whether you want subtle, slow color shifts or vibrant, fast-moving light shows, the iQ software lets you control brightness, speed, color, and effects, making this fan a key part of your PC's look. Noise level and quiet operation. A powerful fan doesn't have to be noisy, and Corsair understands that well. The AF140 is equipped with a fluid dynamic bearing that minimizes friction, which means it runs quietly and lasts longer than many traditional fans. Even better, it features a 0 RPM mode that stops the fan entirely when your system is under light load or idle. This means absolutely no fan noise during simple tasks like browsing or watching videos, a major plus for anyone who values a silent PC environment. Corsair AirGuide technology. Corsair's AirGuide technology is a standout feature of the AF140 fan. It uses special anti-vortex vanes around the blades to direct airflow more efficiently and reduce turbulence. This creates a focused, powerful airflow that enhances cooling, whether the fan is mounted on a radiator or just circulating air inside your case. Thanks to this tech, the AF140 delivers better cooling performance, making it ideal for both high-performance gaming PCs and quiet workstations. Installation and cable management. Another thing to appreciate is how user-friendly the AF140 is to install and manage. The included iQ Lighting Node Core controller connects with simple USB 2.0 and SATA power cables, which helps keep your cables neat and reduces clutter inside your case. Even if you're not a PC building expert, you'll find the setup straightforward. The controller lets you hook up multiple fans and control their lighting without needing extra software or complicated wiring. Pros. Excellent cooling performance with strong airflow and static pressure suitable for radiators. Customizable RGB lighting with vibrant, fully controllable effects using iQ software. Quiet operation with fluid dynamic bearing and 0 RPM mode for silent running during low load. AirGuide technology improves airflow focus and cooling efficiency. Easy installation with simple connections and included controller for neat cable management. Durable build quality from Corsair ensures a reliable, long-lasting fan. Cons. Full RGB customization requires installing Corsair's iQ software, which some users may find heavy or unnecessary. The included Lighting Node Core supports up to 6 fans, so larger RGB setups may need extra controllers. Final thoughts. So, is the Corsair iQ AF140 worth it? If you're looking for a high-quality 140mm case fan that offers excellent cooling, superb RGB lighting customization, and near-silent operation, this fan definitely checks all the boxes. It's particularly well-suited for gamers, PC enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to add a stylish yet functional touch to their build. While it's a little more expensive than basic fans, the performance and features justify the price, especially if you value quiet operation and vibrant lighting. Plus, Corsair's Air Guide technology is a clever addition that really makes a difference in airflow efficiency. If you want to upgrade your cooling system or add some stunning RGB effects to your PC, the iCUE AF140 is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching this review of the Corsair iCUE AF140 140mm RGB PC Case Fan. If you want to check the latest price or get your hands on one, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more great tech reviews here at Tech Kingo. See you next time!